And now your host, he gets cabin fever, so he's loony enough to camp in the winter, Kurt Nilsen.
Hi, Kurt Nilsen here, and welcome to Home Loans Made Easier. Before you leave, be sure and check out the links down below this video for all the different ways that I can help you now. You know, getting your financial ducks in a row before getting a home loan is really important. And in the last few months, I've had a few people tell me they were hesitant to call a mortgage professional because they were a little nervous about what kinds of questions were going to be asked. Well, the purpose of that call, at least initially, is really just to get an idea of what your home loan options are, what you're pre-qualified for, you know, the price range of home, and what you can expect your payment to be based on what you're looking for. So that call is going to be pretty straightforward. So whether you're thinking about buying a home next month or a year from now, I highly encourage you to make the call. And don't get me wrong, I'm not necessarily saying to call me. If you have someone else that you trust, then by all means call them. But if you do call me, it's going to be pretty painless and straightforward. I'm going to ask a few questions about your job and your income, so it wouldn't hurt to have a pay stub and maybe a previous year's W-2 nearby. I'll ask a few questions about what you're looking for in a home, whether you're working with a down payment or not, and then kind of get a feel for how your credit looks and what kind of debt that you have. It's pretty basic, so nothing too scary or nothing too personal. One of the most important questions, though, that I feel that I ask, and you know, for any mortgage professional to ask, is what is the monthly payment comfort level that you feel best about if you found the right home? Now, this is a key question because a lot of people can get lender approved for a higher payment than they want, but why on earth should that matter if you're not comfortable with that payment? So this call is likely going to last about 10 or 15 minutes, maybe a little more if you have some questions. I know that buying a home and getting a home loan is one of your life's major financial transactions. It's exciting, and it can also be a little bit scary. So I really understand how important this process is to you, and I care that you have a great stress-free experience. I know that I can guide you through the home buying process and the lending process so you feel knowledgeable, confident, and clear with all your options. So don't settle for anything less. There's no cost or obligation to talk, and I'm pretty easy to reach. So if you have any questions whatsoever, or if you or any of your friends, family, or coworkers would like to chat about getting a home loan, I'm just a phone call or an email away. So thanks a lot. I really appreciate your time.